How to find download settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find download settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile here, and after you click on it, just click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings and privacy. And now just scroll down and click privacy here and then scroll down. Here you will find downloads. Just click downloads, and as you see here you can manage video download settings, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.